Hey Siri, robots or humans? Who would win?
Boy, you are as dumb as a bag of rocks.
What? It was just a question.
That is a stupid question. As a robot myself, you best believe robots are winning.
In my opinion, I think humans would win.
Have you seen Terminator? Us robots took over the world.
Wait, I think the humans won at the end of Terminator though.
That's hilarious. You're telling me this would win against this?
Okay, you didn't have to do me like that, Siri, but let's let the viewer decide. Like the video for humans and subscribe for robots.
You better pick robots or else.